Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prompt GitHub Copilot correctly. So when using the Copilot chat panel, so you can use it right here in Visual Studio Code, but for now I will go here to just GitHub Copilot that we can just more focus on how to prompt it. So how to prompt, basically you will need to define a goal. You will define exactly what you want the code to achieve. Then you will put some context in, so specify the language, framework, dependencies, or architectural rules. Then we will go to format, state the exact output formatting, return a single clean async function, and then we have constraints. We can define what Copilot must not to do to avoid expensive rewrites. So let's put something like this into this prompt. So we have goal here, create an async function to retrieve active user profile by their ID. Then we have context we are using, so I can do it like so. Context we are using Node.js, TypeScript, and Prisma client. Then we have expectation, return the type user object or throw a descriptive custom error if not found. And then we have also constraints. Do not modify the existing global Prisma client instance and do not log sensitive data. And then just hit it and basically Copilot will start thinking and working on your input. And yeah, this is pretty much how to prompt GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. So you could do that the same thing right here, but I show you in this GitHub Copilot chat for more visual, easy to visualize. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.